Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to change the background of your video in CapCut on your Mac or PC. First, please note that the background removal feature in CapCut is free for most users on both mobile and desktop versions, but it may require an internet connection to process the background removal. Start by opening CapCut and importing your video to the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, the first thing you need to do is duplicate the video clip. You can do this by pressing Command-C and then Command-V if you are on a Mac. This gives you two identical video clips, one placed directly above the other. Now, select the top clip. Look for the option that says Remove Background or Remove BG. Click on Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically remove the background from the top video layer. Next, you can add a new background to replace the one that was removed. Go to the Library section in CapCut. Browse until you find a background you like. Drag and drop that background to your timeline. Make sure you place it between the two clips so that it appears behind the top one that now has no background. To make your edit more dynamic, you can also add a transition. Click on the top video clip, go to the Animation section, and choose an animation such as Slide Up, Slide Left, or any other you want. This adds movement and makes the transition to your new background look smoother. Now when you play your video, the new background will show behind your subject, and the animation will help blend the layers together nicely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.